I first met Jim Lewis. He represented my husband in a motorcycle accident that he was in 1996. As we watched my husband go through whether he was going to stay alive or not and all the trauma that the rest of the family went through, Jim Lewis was there the whole time. Unfortunately, my husband and I were in a motorcycle accident together in 2010. And our first thoughts for help and representation was Jim Lewis. He did an excellent job on my husband's 96 accident, and he was there for both of us in the accident that we had recently. Just the fear of going through a whole process of having to relive an accident and tell stories, etc., and make sure that your insurance is covered and all the trauma that you go through. Jim Lewis was there for me and my husband and took very good care of us as far as the staff answered all questions at a quick response and returned all of our phone calls. My husband and I, in both of our cases that we went through in our accidents, Jim Lewis was more than fair on fees, and everything that we got for the compensation we got was over and above what we thought that we would ever get. And hopefully I never have to call him for another accident, but if I did have another accident, or if I have a friend that is ever in need of an attorney, Jim Lewis would be the first person that I would recommend and that I would see myself.
If you or someone you know has suffered a serious personal injury, please feel free to contact us by going to our website or calling our 1-800 number.